Hello, friends. You are welcome to Anchor Network, where you get updated news of things happening around you. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, I would like and encourage you to subscribe so that you get updated news as soon as we publish them. The chieftain of the opposition People's Democratic Party (PDP), who was a former Minister of Aviation in the country, Chief Femi Fani-Kayode, has just made a claim saying that President Muhammadu Buhari and his supporters see him, Buhari, as someone who is greater than God. The chieftain of the People's Democratic Party made this known in a post on Twitter on Wednesday morning. He also slammed Nigerians for refusing to speak truth to power and failing to confront the monstrous beast that has held them in captivity. According to Fani Kayode, Nigeria is not a nation. She's an occupied territory of slaves, vassals and queenslings that are not prepared to confront the monstrous beast that has held them captive and in bondage for the last 4 years. Most Nigerians are so cowardly that they dare not speak truth to power. If Buhari asks his supporters to do the unimaginable, 99% of them would gladly do so. The tweet by the former minister has, however, elicited a series of reactions from several Nigerians. There was a particular place I was like, if he asks his supporters to do the unimaginable, that they will do it, that 99% of them will do the unimaginable. If you go to Fani Kayode's Twitter, he says something that I wouldn't want to mention here, and that was why I used that word, unimaginable. So if you go to his Twitter handle, you will see it there. When I saw the heading, I was like, what? Who does that? Who says that? That somebody is greater than God? I really want to see, and I want to know how this guy really said it, that he has the guts or the audacity to say somebody is greater than God. I want to see the rationale behind it. What prompted that statement? Not until when I went through everything, I now say, okay, this is what it meant. There is nothing wrong in supporting anybody. Everybody has his own fans and all of that. Like if you have your fan, if you have somebody that that you think is your mentor, you make sure that that your own thinking is on point, your own thinking is stable, your own thinking is steady, so that it's not everything that your mentor does that you just take, because you just have to still think for yourself. For the fact that somebody is your mentor doesn't mean that the person is superb or the person is superior or the person cannot make mistake. And that is where most of us do get it wrong. Because you are looking up to somebody, then you believe that, oh, this person cannot make mistake, whatever this person says is the final. Like this president's regime, they sold a lot of lies to people. And because people really wanted that change, people were really tired of PDP then. So people were like, oh, we just want a change. We want somebody, who is really experienced, from what we've heard. Oh, this integrity of a thing, they really saw to what's coming to say, okay, we're going to fight corruption. And as if that was what, that rhetoric, that was what people really were really wanted to hear. And he really said it, and everybody bought into that. But at the end of the day, we found out that all those things are not really true. We began to see, with these 4 years, we began to see that a lot of things that we were told, are not actually what they are. But surprisingly to me, you still see people coming out in their numbers to vote for these people. Most Nigerians, can fall for anything. And I'm sure they use this trader money to deceive a lot of people. Suffering and smiling. That is our logo. People don't just have that willpower to retrace their steps back. People follow people to a fault. Like I said in one of my videos, there is nothing that is cast in concrete. For the fact that PDP, didn't do well, that doesn't mean that they can't do it. And it's a good thing that PDP lost election 2015. Because if not, we would have continued with that kind of system. But now they've gone back, to the drawing board and to see where they made mistakes. They were making maths, PDPs, they were making maths that they were going to rule the country for 6 years. But forgetting that there's someone who is up there that is above all. Like they say, man proposes, God disposes. So it was a good thing that PDP lost the election 2015 for them to be able to see themselves, for them to be able to know who is who. A lot of things were being made open, and that was the kind of thing that this regime sold to us. and people fell for it. But at the end of the day, we found out that, they are of same. There's no difference. That's why you see them jumping ship from APC to PDP, from PDP to APC, back and forth, back and forth. That's just what they are doing. Everybody's going there to take turn. But we as a people, we don't just have to follow blindly. We don't just have to believe people blindly. We need to look at everything holistically. So I want to stop here. I want you people to say something concerning what Fani Kayode has said, whether really APC supporters or Buhari supporters, whatever they are asked to do, they just do it. They just believe anything that comes from them. So I would like you to put your comment down and let's rub minds together. Thank you very much. Bye.